12 Hiligaynon words every Filipino must learn and use. It's a given. Ilonggos are well known for being malambing, that sweet disposition perceptible in their affectionate manner of speaking. One may wonder, do Ilonggos even know how to get angry? You bet. Ilonggos have a way to blow a gasket by charming you with subtle singsong intonation, which really makes you love these people from Panay Island. Not only that, Hiligaynon, the language mostly spoken in Iloilo, Negros Occidental and Capiz, is a gem as well. Here are some of the tinaga or words that prove Hiligaynon language is worth learning and using. Number 1. Makaako means creator or god. Literally means creator or owner of all things. Usually used with the phrase mahal nga makaako or beloved creator. If the Tagalogs have their Bathala as their creator, the Ilonggos have their makaako. Though not really uttered in everyday conversations, hearing this word from our deeply religious grandparents is surely a heavenly music to our ears. Number 2. Yuhum means smile or an expression of happiness. Say yuhum and the universe will conspire to brighten up your day. No wonder a local magazine is named after this sunshiny gesture. Truly, it creates the warmth and optimism of the Ilonggos. Number 3. Maanyag means pretty or beautiful, someone or something that pleases the eye. It sounds poetic and local as opposed to using guapa, a Spanish word which sadly is a common term Ilonggos or Filipinos in general use in describing a beautiful person. The next time you woo a girl, you may want to level up your term of endearment. Tell her the Hiligaynon magic word and you will never go wrong. Number 4. Kamingaw means loneliness, a feeling one feels when he or she misses someone or something, a sort of nostalgia. Ever felt that certain loneliness and yearning when you remember someone who's important to you? Or when you see an object that reminds you of an event in your life? Then, Kamingaw has gotten hold of you. Number 5. Inday and Nonoy. Other than nicknames, Inday is for girls and Nonoy is for boys, are used as terms of endearment for children. Believe me, every little girl or boy in Panay Island has been called Inday or Nonoy once in his or her life. And yes, even as you've grown older, folks would still call you by that nickname. After all, it's a sign of affection. Number 6. Kadlaw means to laugh. As raucous as it sounds, still, kadlaw is the best medicine. Number 7. Palangga means beloved, a term of endearment used to show love and affection, and not exclusive to romantic couples. Instead of calling your beau sweetheart, honey, or babe, why not use palangga? It sounds more heartfelt, right? The act of love-giving has an equivalent word pagmamahal in Tagalog. Number 8. Kasing-kasing means the heart. In case you're wondering why the heart is called kasing-kasing in Hiligaynon, it is because it has the shape of a top or kasing, that toy which has been rapidly on the ground, which apparently of course looks like a human heart. Number 9. Panulay, an act of wrongdoing, a trial, or a trick. Panulay in Hiligaynon actually has a negative connotation as it means evil or demon. So if something or someone has led you to commit sin, definitely you're under a spell of a panulay. Number 10. Mariit, an enchanted place which is said to be inhabited by spirits, an accident-prone area. The word emanates from the Ilonggos folk tradition even before the Spaniards came. Any area such as the baleta tree, acacia tree, a boulder, or even a cave is said to be haunted and inhabited by spirits, or in Hiligaynon language, tamawos. These areas are being avoided because accidents usually occur. Number 11. Kaang tanan means joined or connected. With the root word angot, which has something to do with touch, kaang tanan basically refers to relationships. It probably connotes the bond between Ilonggo families. Number 12. Kabalaslan means recompense or debt of gratitude. This Hiligaynon word surely reflects one important Visayan value. Or do we still believe in the concept of debt of gratitude or utang na loob in Tagalog? Nonetheless, Kabalaslan must be included in the list of Hiligaynon words every Filipino must learn and use. It's shorter and transcends beyond our economic, cultural, and spiritual practices. There you have it, folks. 12 Hiligaynon words that you can add to your vocabulary. Have you chosen your favorite word? Don't forget to share your thoughts.